Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Creatrix channel, my dear students. We are here with another job notification released by Punjab State Power Corporation of India Limited, PSPCL. Okay, so now in this notification, I will tell you about the vacancies that they have released for the junior engineer electrical. What are the eligibility criteria, how to apply, what is the selection procedure, every other detail you are going to get in this video. So please watch it till the end to know all the job related information and how you can crack it, how you can get selected, and how my team can help you in the selection for this opening. Now my friend, before we start, let me first introduce myself. My name is Ankit Goyal. I got AIR 1 twice in GATE in 2014 and 2018. I was awarded President of India Gold Medal in the year 2013 when I graduated from IIT Indore. Till date, I have trained more than 1 lakh students in the online and the offline classes, and currently I am working as a director at an academy for GATE department. Now most of the students know all of this about me, but what I wish to put into their minds is the intention that we have. I believe intent is much better or much higher than content. The intent is very simple, that we want to empower each and every student of the country who cannot afford to have resources to get free quality education through our YouTube channels, and not only through our YouTube channels but through our Unacademy free initiatives as well. Yes, you heard it right. There are free initiatives on Unacademy as well. You just have to download the app and you can unlock any free initiative simply by using the code AnkitESE. It is the key to all the locks inside Unacademy. If you use this code, you will get all free initiatives unlocked. So let's deep dive. Let's understand what this job notification has to say. Now, they have announced 2632 vacancies. Okay, out of which 567 posts are for non-technical like clerk, revenue accountant, and 2065 posts are for technical. Now, we being from technical background, we are interested in this technical post. Junior engineer, assistant lineman, assistant substation attendant. These three vacancies constitute a total of 2065 posts. Okay, now a total of 2065 are published for technical post, out of which 1700 are for assistant lineman, 290 for assistant substation attendant, and remaining 75 are for junior engineer electrical. So if you wish to become a junior engineer, you have 75 vacancies. But if you are comfortable with any job, then there are 1700 for lineman as well. Okay, now electrical junior engineer, we have 75 vacancies, out of which 30 are in unreserved, 10 are in OBC non-creamy layer, 18 SC, and 7 EWS. And some are reserved for women, like 9 in unreserved, 3 in OBC, 6 in SC, and 1 in EWS. Okay, these much vacancies are reserved for women, okay, other than the regular vacancies. Are you getting my point? Out of these 75, 25 are reserved. Now, ex-servicemen self-dependent, 5 vacancies are reserved. PWD, 1 vacancy is reserved. PWD orthopedically handicapped, 2 vacancies. Sports person, 1. Freedom fighter, 1. Okay, along with these, out of these, there are reserved for women as well. Now, the candidate must have educational qualification in regular 3 or 4 years of diploma. Again, these vacancies are for diploma holder and not for degree holder. This can be in electrical or electrical and electronics, that is EE and EEE, computer science and IT, and the criteria is 60% marks. You need to have a 60% marks, and age limit on 1st of Jan 2021, minimum age of 18 years, maximum age of 37 years. And the relaxation is based on the Punjab government guidelines. Okay, so based on the PSU, in which segment do they lie, like Punjab state, will lie under Punjab government, so they will follow the norms of the Punjab government. Whenever we talk about any central PSU, they follow the guidelines of Government of India when we talk about the age relaxation. Okay. Now, category application fees, except SC and PWD, the application fees is 800 and GST is 140. Total applicable fees is 944. Now for SC and PWD 500 with a GST of 90, so it is 590. Okay, but if your bank charges anything extra for this fees payment, that you only have to bear. So what you can think is like this could go up to 600 or 650, this could go up to 1000. That much fees is there. Definitely it's this fees is higher than the central PSU application fees. Now you have to apply online for with minimum qualifying marks. Okay, you have to qualify the online exam that they will conduct with at least the passing marks, and the pattern of the exam is this. Okay, first is the concerned discipline, that is your electrical questions will be 70 questions from electrical. GK 10 questions. This GK will be, I think, based on Punjab state. Logical reasoning 10 and general English again 10. This logical reasoning you can prepare from the lectures of Avinash sir, and general English will be available by Saurabh Thakur sir, that you can prepare. GK, for that you have to purchase a book from the Punjab state, that is the history of Punjab. You have to prepare the GK about the Punjab state. And for the technical you can visit the special classes that our team has taken, and there you will find all the questions that can be asked in PSU from various subjects, and once you go through that, definitely it will be much easier for you. Otherwise you can also refer to the question series that our SSC team runs. SSC JEE team is also there, which includes Rahul sir, Khemendra sir, Rajkumar sir. Those guys also provide you a lot of question on the channel Unacademy SSC JEE and in their special classes as well. You can visit those classes and you can solve a lot of questions based on your discipline, and that will really enhance your technical knowledge for exams such as these. Okay. Now, steps to apply, you need to visit the official website, that is pspcl.in. Okay, from 31st May you can apply. You need to click on the recruitment icon on the home page and then click on the notification for PSPCL assistant lineman clerk and other post. Okay, then click on apply button and start filling in all the details, but you must check if you are eligible for that vacancy. Now you need to upload the document and pay application fees, submit the application form, and you need to download it for future reference. So keep a downloaded copy of it. Don't say that sir I forgot to download, what will I do now? You need to download it, you need to keep it with you, because you might be asked to carry it when they will verify your documents. Now date of release of notification is 21st May. Starting date of application is 31st May. Last day of application, you have 20 days to apply, it is 20th June. Last date of submitting fees is 2 July, that is 12 days after the last date of application. And the online exam date is still not final, again mainly because of this COVID situation. Nobody can commit you any exam date as of now. And my friend, as I was telling you, if you want to prepare, you can visit this section, the practice session for HAL, HPCL, RVUNL. Here I have solved the problems for JEE and AE exam. So if you are applying for the junior engineer vacancy, the questions that you will find here will be very relevant for you in the examination. And you need to go to this link bit.ly/AnkitESE. Here if you go to upcoming, you can also see my classes that I'll be taking live in the near future. And you can become a member of Unacademy Plus, where you will get live classes by top educators, comprehensive and crash courses. And not only this, you get daily assignment, weekly test series, question bank, and all your doubts are also cleared. In one subscription, you get access to GATE batches, engineering services, state PSC, as well as PSU batches. So one subscription can cater to needs of all the examination. If you want to fly higher, go with Iconic. Here, all these benefits are included along with a personal coach who will create a study planner for you. Teachers will guide you, motivate you, inspire you in the study booster session. You will get separate test analysis telling your strengths and weakness. You will get extra study material, and not only this, you will have a dedicated team to solve all your queries. Now, if you use the code AnkitESE while purchasing, you will get 10% discount on this amazing subscription. And not only this, you will also come under my personal guidance. This is the latest batch that we are starting from tomorrow, in which I'll be starting measurement at 7:30 a.m. So if you wish to prepare measurement as a subject with me for all the exams like GATE, Engineering Services, Civil Services, SSC, AE, JE, anything, all the goals will be satisfied with this single subject measurement, which will run at 7:30 a.m. daily from Monday to Saturday. Okay. Now with AnkitESE code, if you apply, your 1 year fees for the subscription will be 27,225, 18 months 34,650, and 2 years will be 39,600. I would say that you go with 2 years so that per month fees is minimum and you can pay it in installment without interest. If you go with Iconic, your 1 year fees would become 45,225 and 2 year it would be 66,600. Again, I would suggest that you go with 2 years. Okay, and this is my Unacademy profile where you can follow me, message me, chat with me. And my friend, this is my Telegram channel t.me/gateair1. So here you can get in touch with me, guys, and you will get all the notifications related to upcoming batches, upcoming free initiative, all my free classes, all the notes you will get on this single channel. So thank you everybody. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel and do press that bell icon so as to get notified whenever any new video comes up on the channel. And please share as much as possible among your friends, among your colleagues, so that they also know about such a free initiative that we are running, the free education revolution. Okay. So I wish you all the best. Keep rocking. Let's crack it.